Hello, my name is Stefan Boykens and I'm a Belgian architect and engineer. In this video course I want to introduce you to Solibri. Solibri is both the name of the company and the name of a software product intended for quality checking of data in BIM models. Solibri is a Finnish company, part of the Nemetschek group, and Solibri provides a couple of software tools and solutions for both the design checking, BIM coordination, clash detection, but also quality tools related to operation and maintenance, and more recently, support for information delivery specification. We'll touch upon most of these as part of the course. Solibri provides their offering as a few different tools. You have a main model viewer, Solibri Anywhere, and that's where we'll start the course. But we'll also talk about the functionality of Solibri Site and the most extensive product, Solibri Office. On the website you find a variety of resources which can also help you learning Solibri, apart from, of course, this video course. There are some e-learning resources, there's training, there is even a whole academic program if you're an educational user, and you also have the possibility to look at the Solibri Society, which is the forum for users, the Help Center, which is the knowledge base and the manuals, and then the developer information when you want to extend the software. But that's, of course, after you have learned how to use the software. You'll also find information about pricing, and the pricing can, of course, vary depending on your location and the time you're looking at this course, but in general it can be understood that Solibri Office is, well, not a cheap software, but it's a very extensive and a professional software, which is typically available as a subscription product. For this course, we'll mainly start with the basic Solibri Anywhere. Solibri Anywhere is a model viewer, which we learned how to use, how to configure, and which you can use without any costs. The next step, we will look at Solibri Site. Solibri Site can be used for more extensive information gathering, extracting quantities, tagging, enriching, labeling your models. Finally, the product Solibri Office, which is the most extensive, also the most expensive one, but that's where you really dive deep into quality checking, data verification, and design control. Solibri is used worldwide by architects, engineers, contractors to validate the quality of IFC files. IFC files, or Industry Foundation Classes, is the open standard used to exchange information between modeling software for building information modeling. It's supported by almost every BIM software, and it is an open, standardized format that everybody can use. And that's also why the software Solibri can be used with a variety of applications. Okay, let's get started.